Next model is item 066906 from Overland Models, built in Korea by Aojin. This is a Canadian National SD70M-2 diesel engine. This group was built in 2007. This is number 9 of 35 that were built. It has operating directional lights and directional ditch lights. Excellent in-cab detail and a dual mode DCC decoder installed, and we'll be showing this on DC. And the throttle is a bit touchy, which is not uncommon with a DCC model. Difficult to regulate the speed. And this model is available for purchase at brasstrains.com. The item is 066906.